spray mop. This is the non-battery powered one. I didn't want the batteries because I figured I didn't want to have to worry about changing them. We have a new hardwood floor in this room, so hopefully this will be what we need. So let's go ahead and unbox and get to using it. Let's see what's inside. So it comes with a lot of solution. Daily clean, time to shine, lifetime of protection. That's pretty good. That stuck really nice. So, there's like really good Velcro, Velcro. The pad looks like it doesn't matter which way it goes. Instructions are right here. Guess this is the instructions. Kind of just printed right on the side of the box, no manual inside. So it says inside the box we get the upper part, the lower part, solution. I just lost the other part. This part, the fabric, and that's it. Put them together till you hear a click. Well, this is not clicking. All right, so I was able to get it to click in once I kind of stood it upright and hit it really hard. I don't know if that's too good. Next step, attach this to this. All right, so this bottom part has these two clicks here. They kind of clip in to the ring on the bottom here. Okay. This whole thing is really easy to put together, but it's so hard. Okay, that's in. Easy. Attach the microfiber bottom, and then this thing. Okay, so this here has a like a twist top that locks in. So you're gonna kind of like child-proof turn this to get it off. So just kind of turn it off. You'll see this is exposed, and this is the part they say you can take off to refill this canister. This canister is pretty thin, but it feels like as long as you don't, punch it or anything, or puncture it, like it'd be kind of easy to puncture, but I mean, you're really not going to try to. So I think this would last a while. This is a good amount of liquid too, I believe. So slide this in. Wow, it slid right in. Done. Little click. This little button here is your release to take the cartridge out. That was pretty simple to put together. I got a box here, and let's use it. All right, so we're all put together, and it's pretty echoey in here. We've got a new room, and it's brand new hardwood floor, so we've already vacuumed everything. And after vacuuming, you can still probably see it. There's a lot of dust. So hopefully this is going to be what we need to get rid of the dust and clean this area up and start having fun in it. So let's see how long it takes. This is about 650 square feet with a little hallway there. So we'll see how long it takes and how it looks afterwards. As you can see here, the bottom's kind of, a lot of the liquids and kind of sticking to the bottom of the mop here. And we do have like it's an American scrap or scrape. So it's got some imperfections to the wood here. They kind of give it like this, used old wood look. And because of that, I can see as I'm mopping, I can feel the microfiber cloth like sticking to the bottom, to the wood. So it's kind of like scraping on it a little bit, or not scraping, but being pulled. So let's go ahead. It's kind of difficult to spin. Let's go ahead and look at the bottom. Wow, that's really dirty. That's really dirty. I don't see any of the cloth like being pulled up or ripped, which is good. It does feel like it. The little bit of hair over here in the corner, that's from when I was dusting before. That's from the duster. But it looks pretty good, and they do sell extra one of these, so you don't have to. I'm gonna have to clean this right now. I'm about halfway done with go clean it. But they do sell extras, so you don't have to clean it. You can use, you can switch them out, and you can kind of throw them in the dishwasher, not the dishwasher, the laundry, and clean them. So I'm hoping that's what I'm gonna be able to do with this. But right now I'm gonna go clean it in the sink and then keep going because I've got a ways to go. You can kind of see right there. You can see right there the line where I've stopped. So it looks pretty good. You can definitely tell where I've been, where I haven't been. I just got a lot more room to go. So let's see. Here you can see the Bona is shaped to go into corners and to kind of pull that microfiber around the corners so that you can get all that dust and dirt there. The mop also really has a good articulation. You can see here I'm turning it without any problems. I'm able to push it into a corner this way, so if it's a really tight corner, you can turn it around and switch it. The scraping is the Velcro on the bottom, scraping on the floor. I don't have that microfiber on there. You can also see there's a lot of dirt still on the mop itself, just from being used. The mop lays really flat, flush to the ground. This is the bottom of it without the microfiber. You can see it kind of pulled some of the microfiber and stuck it to the Velcro there. The Velcro is pretty nice. It's nice and strong. I don't have any problems with it. The pad not sticking to the bottom of the Bona. And the shape of the Bona is awesome because you can get into those corners, like I said, and not have to worry about getting on your hands and knees and trying to use something else to get into the corner without a problem. It's a turning on it. It's fantastic. Just my only problem is with this right here. This canister, when you're pushing it, does squirt some juice out. So you do have like some large deposits. And look at this right here. I mean, it is what it is, but there's a part of the solution, the bottle, that's missing. And you don't see that unless you really look at it. And you can see I did an entire room. It took me about 40 minutes to do this 650 square foot room. And you can see just how much solution I used. Nice foam handle, so your hands are nice and comfortable on the bottom there. However, up here where the trigger is, my hand did get a little tired after squeezing and holding it up there. I don't know if you can make that a little better, but it's not so bad. So it's pretty good. It does a good job of moving picking the dirt up into things. All right, so the Bona's pretty good. I was able to pick up a lot of the dirt, almost too good, that I had to keep using re-cleaning the microfiber cloth. So much I had to stop and clean it, because then I cleaned it with water, I had to wait for it to dry, and do it again. But having multiple of those to do a large room like this is not a bad idea. The first cleaner, this is just an end of construction, so there's a lot of dust in here. So I guess on an everyday, if I were to do this once a week, I'm almost positive one microfiber would be fine. I don't think you would need any more than that for even a big room like this, just for everyday normal stuff. They also sell like a very cloth, like mesh fabric that would probably be great to do first. Pick up a little like hair, because we do the dog, pick up the dog hair, and then the microfiber to just kind of clean and put a nice shine and help protect your wood. The handle does get a little, hurt your hand after a while. This is a big room, so it did kind of start to bother me. Also, pushing on this is not the battery powered one, it's the hand crank one. You just squeeze this and the spray comes out. I wanted it because I don't have to worry about batteries being changed and such, but even when not squeezing this, pushing this, I guess the motion of being pushed shuts the liquid out of the thing, so you're not constantly, but every maybe third push, it was spraying liquid out, which is good because they don't have to squeeze, but why give me the option of squeezing? I feel like that way you're going to end up using a lot more of this spray than you want unless you take it off. Also, it puts a big blob on it, so you got to kind of smear it around. Whereas if you spray it, it's a really nice, fine mist when you use the handle and spray it, which is perfect for cleaning a room, cleaning wood. However, when pushing it, it just kind of splotches a little bit out right in front, and you got to kind of smear it around. So I feel like the center of all of your cloths are going to be more wet or damp because of the large deposit right in front of you. That's a problem. I think that's a problem with them. They need to redesign this, I think. there's going to be too much liquid used, and it's also not really good to have put down a blob of liquid on, especially a hardwood floor. You know, you put in a blob, and I have to spend some extra time to move that around. It's kind of a pain. It's kind of a problem too. I mean, we're going to be spending more money on liquid, which is what they want you to do, but maybe I'm going to switch to a competitor that doesn't have that problem. Other than that, the floor looks really good. It did take a while because of the microfiber. The first time did suck up so much dirt that it started ending up pushing dirt out of the way because it couldn't absorb anymore. I don't think that's going to be a problem later on. Like I said, this is brand new construction, so there's a lot of dust and dirt on the ground that hasn't been picked up. So I don't think that's going to be an issue. Other than that, pretty cool, pretty good. There is some negatives to it. Would I recommend it? Yeah, probably. This is what everyone recommends. Everyone recommends this when you go to hardwood floors. The guy who installed the floor said to get it. The guy who built this said to get it. When we were in line to get it, the one behind us was like, that's really good. I have one. That's what you need. So it's great, but it does have some negatives. So maybe you want to check around for a competitor or wait for, like I said, this is the premium model. They do have a battery operated one that might not have the same issue. I don't know. I didn't want to spend the extra money to have that. But other than that, pretty good. Flaws, is it worth it? Possibly. I think not having the spray on here and just getting the regular push broom, it's a little cheaper. This is $40. The push one with extra cloths is $30. I think that's a better deal. You gotta hand spray the stuff and then push it. That's, knowing now that I know about this blob, I think spraying it and pushing a mop around myself